Hi everyone, I am Dr. Tejasri Botchalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. In last video, we discussed about what is leucorrhea, why it is called as pathological leucorrhea, and why it is called as physiological leucorrhea. All are now discussed in last video. In today's video, we discussed about signs and symptoms of leucorrhea and what are the necessary investigations required for diagnosis of leucorrhea condition. I can explain this clearly on the board. Let's move on to the board. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Tejasri Botchalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss about investigations of leucorrhea. Leucorrhea is common gynecological condition in present women. It is mostly seen in reproductive age women. Leucorrhea is nothing but an excessive vaginal discharge. Usually it is mild in nature. It is called physiological leucorrhea. If it becomes excessive or associated with itching, foul smelling, we call it as pathological leucorrhea. Now coming to signs and symptoms of leucorrhea. Signs is nothing but what doctor finds. Signs means excessive vaginal discharge. In leucorrhea patient complaining of excessive vaginal discharge, discharge may be foul and foul smelling. In this leucorrhea condition, discharge is of bad odor. Staining of undergarments. There is white, green, yellowish staining of clots seen in leucorrhea condition. Redness, swelling, or irritation is due to continuous irritation and discomfort by the patient. Excoriation due to constant itching. Excoriations means damaging to the internal organs. It means damage into the vagina. Due to continuous itching in leucorrhea condition, it leads to damaged vagina. Backache and weakness, these are the common signs in leucorrhea condition, usually due to loss of strength of our body. These are the signs of leucorrhea condition. Now coming to symptoms of leucorrhea. Symptoms is nothing but what the patient feels. In leucorrhea condition, symptoms like itching and irritation of genital area. Unusually, patient complaining of itching and irritation in genital area due to leucorrhea. Burning sensation while passing urine. Burning sensation while passing urine is mainly due to infection condition. It is seen mainly in infection condition that can lead to leucorrhea condition. Pain in lower abdominal back. Pain in lower abdominal back is due to pelvic congestion of pelvic organs. Fatigue, weakness and giddiness due to chronic discharge. Due to continuous discharge from the vagina, patient feels fatigue, weakness. Heaviness in pelvic region. The patient usually complaining of heaviness in pelvic region along with dragging pains in pelvic region associated with headache, mood swings and irritability. These are the signs associated with hormonal imbalance. Leucorrhea is also seen in hormonal imbalance conditions. Discomfort or pain during sexual activity. Discomfort or pain during sexual activity, patient feel discomfort and also causes pain during sex. These are the symptoms of leucorrhea condition. Now coming to what are the investigations for leucorrhea condition. Usually history and clinical examination. By history and clinical examination, we can consider color, odor, consistency of leucorrhea. By using this, we can diagnose whether it is fungal infection, bacterial or parasitic infection. Laboratory examination. In this, microscopic examination should be done. The discharge from the vagina should be taken as sample and test under the microscope. In microscope, we can find organisms like fungi, bacteria, parasitic infection. KOH test. KOH test is mainly done to detect whether it is leucorrhea from fungal infection like candidiasis. Pap smear. Pap smear is nothing but a test for cervical examination. By using this test, we can rule out the precancerous conditions in cervix. Culture and sensitivity. By using this culture and sensitivity, we can discharge medium. We can detect organisms like bacteria, fungi. CBP to rule out anemia if patient complaining of weakness, and also coming to blood sugar test. Blood sugar test, why we should do blood sugar test in leucorrhea condition means because diabetic condition can increase the risk for leucorrhea condition. Because diabetes can increase the chance of infections so that we get leucorrhea. USG should be done in leucorrhea condition to rule out any fibroids, PID condition. For this we can use USG test. Coloscopy. Coloscopy means detailed examination of cervix condition. By this test we can detect cervical nature and all other about the cervix condition. These are the investigations should be done in leucorrhea condition. If you are suffering from these symptoms, consult Fidicus Homeopathy because the success of case depends on three main steps. That is treating doctor, infrastructure we have, and the drug device we are following. At Fidicus Homeopathy, doctors are with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience, competence and compassion. Now coming to drug device procedures. At Fidicus Homeopathy, we use top quality medicines. You can get our medicines from best pharmaceutical industries and we are also best in segment. At Fidicus Homeopathy, we are having latest technology and also using artificial intelligence as treatment options. This is all about the Fidicus Homeopathy. If you are suffering from leucorrhea, you want to get consultation in Fidicus Homeopathy. Fidicus Homeopathy provides two types of consultation. Online consultation or in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call option available. By using this, you can share your reports. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get back them locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taking, we will ship your medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to get consult Fidicus Homeopathy by in-person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. How to get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy? This is our WhatsApp number. 799-710-1303. By using this number, you can call or message to us and get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus Homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. You can visit our website and get consultation through this. Why Fidicus Homeopathy only? There are so many homeopathy hospitals and other corporate hospitals are there. Why Fidicus only means? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest standards of health. Fidicus Homeopathy mainly follows three main principles. One is highest success, transplant treatment and personal care. Regarding PID, we are having highest success rate. Transplant treatment. We are also providing transplant treatment in the sense we can maintain transparency between the patient and the doctor. In the sense, we can explain the disease condition and the prognosis of the disease condition to the patient. And personal care. Personal care is nothing but we can provide unique time for each patient and we can clarify their doubts. We can also give advice to the patient about the health condition. These are the advantages of Fidicus Homeopathy. If you are suffering from leucorrhea, consult Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we discussed about the signs and symptoms and necessary investigations for leucorrhea condition. Leucorrhea can be a sign of simple infection or maybe a condition of serious complications in body. By understanding the signs and symptoms and investigations about the leucorrhea condition, we can diagnose and treat the condition early so we can prevent complications in the future. If you are suffering from these symptoms, contact Fidicus Homeopathy. Thanks for watching.